Let's now turn to our Get Real India story. The corona pandemic has hit various sectors and professions. Among those who've been affected are those who operate autos and cabs. Now, in Tamil Nadu, the Palanisamy government has permitted the operation of autos and cabs from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. in 25 districts of the state. However, the services will not resume in Chennai and 11 other districts. So how are the auto drivers in Chennai now functioning? Well, they're simply looking for other work to survive. Akshaya Nath reports.
Anand is an auto rickshaw driver attached to Ola. He had pledged his wife's jewellery to buy his auto last year. But now the lockdown triggered by the coronavirus pandemic has derailed his finances. Anand says he was not even able to buy a chocolate for his 3 children. That is when he decided to take up a new job.
While driving the Ola auto, I used to earn a minimum of 1500 rupees per day. Now at this place, I am painting buses and other vehicles. Here I am making 500 or 600 rupees per day. It is much lesser than what I earned driving auto, but I have no other option.
But here are people like Anand who are finding all odd jobs to ensure that their family is sustained with at least the basic necessity. They have food on their plate and a shelter over their heads.
55-year-old K. Ramachandran, a tourist car driver, has been stuck to this 450 square feet single-room house in Ice House in Chennai for 2 months now. While he looks his calm self when he's with his grandchildren, the smile fades away when the kids ask him for something.
When there was work, we used to get 500 to 600 rupees per day, but now there is no work. Now we are pledging gold to run the family. No one is ready to even loan us any money now. I am not even able to buy a biscuit for my grandchildren.
Balakrishnan runs a cab service with over 70 cars. He employs over 50 permanent drivers. But with the lockdown, things have gone out of control. Only 6 of his vehicles have been hired in the last 2 months. He provides lodging and food for the 15-odd drivers who have chosen to stay back in Chennai.
Because of this, we are not able to give the salary to drivers and beta and salary to drivers. We can manage past 15 days, but meanwhile, the next I am not able to manage for this.
Cabs and auto rickshaws are now allowed to ply in 25 districts of the state. But in Chennai and other 11 districts, these can be used only for medical purposes. Auto rickshaw and cab drivers had recently hit the streets in Trichy, begging in a symbolic show of protest. These drivers who fall under the unorganized sector say they have not received any support from the government.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.